In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to call a contact or a group directly in Google Meet. This process is perfect if you need to quickly get in touch with colleagues for a spontaneous discussion or a planned meeting. Google Meet makes it incredibly convenient to set up these virtual meetings effortlessly, and I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. First, you'll want to open your preferred browser and head over to Google Meet's website. Simply type in meetgoogle.com, or if you have it bookmarked, just click your bookmark. Make sure you're logged into the Google account you wish to use. This ensures you have access to all your contacts and any existing meetings already set up under that account. Once you're on the Google Meet homepage, look at the interface and find the button labeled New Meeting. By clicking on this button, you'll have the option to either start a new meeting or schedule one for later. Since our focus today is on starting an immediate call, we'll go ahead and click on Start an Instant Meeting. This action allows us to create a meeting room promptly without the need for any prior scheduling. As the instant meeting launches, you'll notice you're brought into a virtual meeting room. You'll see your video feed pop up, assuming your camera is enabled. Before you initiate the call, make sure your microphone and camera are working correctly. You can check this via the icons at the bottom of your screen and adjust settings if needed to ensure crystal clear communication. Now that your meeting room is active, it's time to invite your contacts. Look around for the Add Others or Invite People link, which should be visible within the meeting interface. Click on this link and you'll be given options on how to invite people. If your contacts are saved with their Google accounts, you can start typing their name or email address, and Google Meet will auto-suggest potential matches. Select the correct contacts and they'll receive an invitation immediately to join your meeting. If you're inviting a group rather than individuals, you might want to copy the meeting link. You can then paste this link into an email or any chat application your group is using. This makes it easy for group members to click and join the meeting without needing a personal invite from Google. And there you have it, you've now successfully called a contact or a group directly through Google Meet. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful for both professional and personal use. Remember, with just a few clicks, you can create an efficient and effective meeting environment wherever you are. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.